Hey guys, what's happening? How to make a Facebook account completely private. So go ahead and hit your menu at the bottom right, and then click your name at the top. Okay, and what you're gonna do, let me switch to my original account. Excuse me. Let's say I'm gonna go and choose not this. I'm gonna go ahead right here to the settings. Alright, and go ahead to the privacy checkup, and who can see what you share. Go ahead to press it, and go ahead to the personal information, and just adjust the privacy settings related to who can see your posts, profile information, and other content. So phone number, for example, just hit only me, email address only me, and birthday, hometown, etc. Right, you can go ahead and hit next right here, and audience, right, in the audience section, who decide who you want to see your posts and stories. Okay, afterwards, same thing, tagging, who is allowed to tag you. Then again, the blocking list, when you block someone, they will no longer see things you post on your timeline, tag you, invite you, and all that stuff. And you're gonna see, of course, your blocking list. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.